Absolutely. Here's a roadmap to build mental resilience and achieve higher cognitive awareness. Mental Resilience Foundations. 1. Challenge your comfort zone. Stepping outside your comfort zone in small ways is crucial for mental resilience. Try a new activity, learn a new skill, or strike up a conversation with someone new. This exposes you to new experiences and strengthens your ability to adapt. 2. Cultivate gratitude. Regularly practicing gratitude shifts your focus towards the positive aspects of life. Reflect on the things you're grateful for, big or small. This fosters a more optimistic outlook and helps you bounce back from challenges. 3. Develop healthy habits. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and a balanced diet. These habits fuel your physical and mental well-being, providing the foundation for mental resilience. 4. Mindfulness practice. Mindfulness meditation trains your brain to focus on the present moment without judgment. This helps you manage stress, observe your thoughts and emotions objectively, and develop a sense of inner calm, all crucial for mental resilience. Transforming to higher cognitive awareness. 1. Embrace continuous learning. Never stop learning. Read books on diverse topics, take online courses, or engage in discussions with people from different backgrounds. This broadens your knowledge base and exposes you to new perspectives. 2. Question your assumptions. Challenge the way you think about things. Are there underlying biases influencing your perspective? Actively seek out information that contradicts your existing beliefs to develop a more nuanced understanding of the world. 3. Metacognition and self-reflection. Practice thinking about thinking. Reflect on your thought patterns, how your emotions influence your decisions, and how your experiences shape your worldview. Journaling can be a great tool for self-reflection. 4. Embrace complexity. The world is rarely black and white. Develop the ability to hold multiple perspectives on an issue and appreciate the inherent complexity of life. This fosters intellectual humility and a deeper understanding of the world. 5. Connect with the bigger picture. Explore philosophical and spiritual ideas. Consider your place in the universe and the meaning of life. While there may not be definitive answers, these inquiries can spark intellectual growth and a deeper sense of self-awareness. Remember, this is a lifelong journey. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process of becoming more mentally resilient and achieving higher cognitive awareness.